This video is on combination. Combination is arrangement or listing in which order is not important. And here's the formula we're going to use for combination. It's very similar to our permutation. We still have the N, we still have the R. In fact, we're going to use permutation to solve for it. So it's going to be permutation of NR over R factorial. Just like permutation, it's probably going to make more sense if you see an example. So here we have combination 7-3. So we need to put these numbers in this formula format. So here's how it's going to look when it's set up. And just to review a little bit, our permutation is going to be 7 times 6 times 5. So we're only doing 3 numbers. And then our factorial will be 3 times 2 times 1. So when we find the products of the numerator and denominator, we get 210 over 6. And when that's simplified, we get a combination of 35. So that will be our solution for combination 7-3. Let's go ahead and take a look at a second example. We have a combination of 6-4 here. So just to give myself a little bit of room, I'm going to start the problem over here. We have a permutation of 6-4 and then a factorial of 4. So here's my permutation. I have 6 times 5 times 4 times 3. Remember, the first number in our permutation tells us where to start and how many numbers to go for our second number. So this is 4 digits, or 4 numbers there. And then our factorial, tells us the number that we start, and we find the product of multiplying each of those numbers all the way down to 1. Now this time, before I multiply them, I'm going to go ahead and do some reducing here, because before I multiply these numbers, I can notice that they have some common factors, such as 3 and 3 cancel each other out, and 4 and 4 cancel each other out. That's just going to make my multiplication a little bit easier. So what we're left with here is 6 times 5, which is 30, and then 2 times 1, which is 2. So our combination is 15. Like the permutation, I would recommend bringing these papers in tomorrow. That way it'll help you out with the bookwork. And that's about it for this video.